If you don't feel like making a big deal cooking a Brussels sprout dish, this is an easy way to cook. So first you want to trim the ends off and then cut it in half like this. Rinse off and drain the water. Get ready. Add half a cup of water. Add a tablespoon of salt. Cover it and let it steam. To steam for about 5 minutes. Stir it. Make sure the top goes down to the bottom because the bottom part cooks much faster. Now cover it. 1 more minute, you can shut it off. Dressing, we have 2 tablespoons of red onion diced. And then we have fresh rosemary, thyme, and oregano. I have this in my gardens. We'll add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, another tablespoon of salt. Now the Brussels sprouts is ready. We're going to drain that and then add to the dressing. Mix the dressing. Here's the Brussels sprout with fresh herbs.